joining me at Chicago's famous Billy Goat Tavern. You don't know it? Oh, I'll bet you do. Do you remember that old Saturday Night Live routine? Chips, no Coke, Pepsi? That was the Billy Goat Tavern. And it was owner Sam Cianis they were portraying in that skit because the goat has rules. It serves hamburgers on thick Kaiser buns, no fries, just chips, and no Coke, Pepsi. So I brought you here because we're talking about cravings, and chips or fries or Coke or Pepsi could be cravings that we have. Any other craving that you might have will work just fine in this craving buster technique that I'm about to teach you. I'm Karen Hand. I'm a board certified hypnotist, and I want to empower you with this technique to bust your own cravings, even if it's not fries, chips, Coke, or Pepsi. Whatever that craving is that you know has everything to do with the excess weight you want to release. So I'd like you to do this with me. If you're not driving a car or operating heavy machinery, you can certainly close your eyes. And the reason to close your eyes is to block out visual input, or so you won't be seeing the goat in the background. It enhances your imagination to just focus on what we're talking about. But you can do this process, eyes open or closed. It's your choice. We're going to play with the imagination. So in whatever way you activate your imagination best, if closing your eyes helps, then close your eyes now and take in a nice settling breath so that you can focus. Imagine that food that has something to do with those extra pounds you want to release, the food that gives you comfort, the food that gives you a welcome distraction. Go ahead, imagine eating that food now. Take a bite. Notice the taste. Notice the texture, the way it feels in your mouth. Yeah, notice how it feels going down your throat. Really savor that food now. Now continue eating that food, and now you're eating it in front of a full-length mirror. So watch yourself now, enjoying that food. That's right. And now you're eating it in front of that full-length mirror, naked. Watch yourself. How comfortable do you feel with that food now? That's right. Yeah, bring that discomfort back with you as you open your eyes and discover why that technique works so well. You know, I've had clients who come to me for weight release, and one of the things they often say is, it's the scale. It's the scale. They equate their overweight somehow with the scale. It's not the scale. It's the food. But we have a very handy way of distracting ourselves from the problem, and then we can't see the solution. So this technique actually links the source to the problem. So you're actually seeing what you can control that affects a change. Very simple process, but you can use it as you discover different foods or different treats that contribute to the problem. Allow yourself to watch yourself eating it naked, and it links the problem so that you can develop a solution. That's what it's all about. I'd love to hear how you use this process for you, or how you teach it to someone else and how it helps. Let me hear from you at Karenhand.com. While I practice in Chicago, it's not at the Billy Goat Tavern, but I also practice online via Zoom. I'd love to hear from you. 312-315-2100. Great success in busting those cravings.